Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a beautiful flower on black NARA paper. So here is my round NARA disc. You'd need a NARA disc, you need a couple of your favorite alcohol ink colors. I have Stream and I have Sailboat Blue. Then you will need snow cap mixative, very important to have this. You will have some blending solution. I put my blending solution in this little container. You can buy it at Amazon, Tim Holtz, alcohol ink blending solution. It's a thinner type of alcohol with some glycerin in it. You'll need an airbrush or canned air, a little paintbrush, and a little plastic dish here to mix your alcohol inks in. And optional, we might use the Posca pens, white and light yellow. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna add the inks and we're gonna blow them, and you're not going to see them at first until we add the snow cap. So here we go. A little bit loud with the air compressor. I'm using a master airbrush. So you can't really see that very well from here. However, once we add the snow cap and the blending solution, you will see it appear. So here we go again with the air compressor. So there we go, beautiful little flower. Actually, it kind of looks like 3 flowers. I made a little mistake there, but now I'm going to use that to my advantage. I want to paint some stems. So to make the stems, you have some already alcohol ink in your little plastic dish. Add some snow cap, and if you like, you can take a little bit of extra ink, add it in there. I've got some pool And I'm gonna put a little bit of this pistachio in there. So I've got that all mixed up. I dip my little paintbrush in there. So for it to show up, you do need to mix the snow cap with your color. All right, so I'm gonna make 3 little stems here. Plenty of room for leaves. Put that little bottom part of the plant of the bloom. Have some fun with that. Add some leaves. You can make little leaves, some much bigger leaves. I think I want to add some contrast to these leaves. Maybe I'll get a little bit of yellow. This other little plastic dish, a little bit of yellow, a little bit of snow cap. You can use the same paintbrush. And then what we'll do next, these happy little flowers, as Bob Ross would say. Maybe add a little bit of white from your Posca pen, which is, it's not an alcohol ink, it's an oil-based pen marker. Really add some nice detail, contrast, and pop out on that black. Have all kinds of fun. And I have a yellow Posca pen. Always have to shake them, pump them, get them going. And there we have alcohol ink flower on NARA paper with snow cap and a little pistachio, stream, sailboat blue, and sunshine yellow. And I do hope you like the video. Please subscribe. Thank you.